This S22 Ultra, along with this pen, could literally change your life. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
I'm over here just amazed at how many tips and tricks I've just learned, and I've had a Samsung phone for feel like over a decade. Like being able to use your S Pen to do things like...
Watch this. For the first time, the power of Note has merged with the epic world of Galaxy S. S22 Ultra's S Pen breaks the rules of what's possible.
So when you look at this screen, you see a blank screen, right? But if you have something to say, you can pull this pen out. Got something on your mind, just start writing. So my saying is LG life's good. Exclamation point. You can change the color to whatever color you want. You can change the thickness of the pen. You can even erase. This is so tight, it's called Director's Cut, right? This allows you to record. It's going to show your front-facing camera, as well as you can choose from any of these three, all while recording your video. No more is it, I can't post this picture because there's something in the background that's making it look jacked up. You can actually remove items from the background. And I always thought Google Pixel phone was the first to do it, but actually Samsung has been doing this for a minute and I'm just now finding out about it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So select the image you want to use. On the bottom, you're going to see the editing icon. Click on that. So you're going to see three dots on the bottom right. Click on that and then click on Object Eraser. Once you do that, you are in there. All right, you can zoom in if you want. With two fingers, you can zoom out, doing the same. So you can select the part you want to take out by just putting your finger or your pen around the object, and then you click Erase. Let Samsung do its magic, and voila. If you don't like it, you can always undo and try it again. So there's the before, and that's the after. Amazing. Let's talk about auto framing.
Auto framing, which automatically reframes your videos as you're recording.
This is such a cool feature because the only thing you have to do is put your phone in one spot and it tracks you wherever you go. This is great if you're filming by yourself and you need to pace around a little. Those cameras actually move. Amazing. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is really changing the game with this one. Check this out. So as you see on the screen, you can actually zoom in up to 100x. Like, what camera on the market has that option? What camera on the market is even offering the ability to zoom 100x? I don't know one. You tell me, I don't know. So if you're ever bored, maybe at the airport, maybe you're sitting waiting on your appointment, you can always jump on your phone and watch free TV. And I'm gonna show you how. So now let's watch a little TV. If you tap your Samsung folder and then you click on Samsung TV Plus, now you have access to free live TV. And it has the little guide down here, which kind of gives you that live feel. Let's just say if we want to watch Yahoo Finance, we can turn it up. Talking about that money. Then we got NBC. That's one cool option, live TV for free, courtesy of Samsung. That's right. So what I have on this desk right now, of course, it's the phone, the box that it came in. I have my clear case that I made a video about. I'll post it somewhere in the corner so you can click on that to check it out. Also, I had to purchase some wireless earbuds. And my go-to is Skullcandy. And every time I buy these, being as affordable as they are, I'm always amazed at how great these sound. If you want your own, check out my link in the description below. Go get yours today. But back to what we was talking about. If you have another phone or Samsung product that's ever low on a charge, you can use your phone to charge it up wirelessly. Wow. So we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna scroll down to battery, and then we're gonna click on battery. And now if we scroll down there, we're gonna see wireless power sharing. Click on that. Very simple. Once you have this turned on, you just turn your phone and then lay another phone or device right there. So drop any device on the back of the phone, make sure it's centered, and voila, magic. And who are the people out there that don't like Android? Hey, if you know somebody with an iPhone, like you need a charge, and then take the iPhone and just boom, charge it up. You'll be like, wow. Don't you hate when you let somebody see your phone so they can check out something, maybe make a phone call, and now all of a sudden they're going all through your phone, looking at your pictures, looking at your other texts, all those things, right? So now I'm gonna show you how to take basically whatever app you want to show someone and let that be the only thing that they see. Click this to bring up the tabs. And so this is your phone tab. This is my note tab, my camera tab. And these icons at the top is what we're gonna focus on. So say they want to, I don't know, watch YouTube. I just wanna watch YouTube. All right, cool. So you let them only watch the YouTube. You click on that icon, pin to this app. Now they can do anything on YouTube, but they cannot get out of YouTube. They have all the functionality that you can have on YouTube, but they can't get out of it. So that's a great option. Let's talk about texting. I'm gonna show you different ways to text with your S Pen. Like I can write in this little box right here. I can say hello. It'll type it out, everyone. That's a little tight, it's a little tight spot. So Samsung has another option. We click on these three dots on the top right, and then we click on this that says handwriting. Now it gives us this bigger space, and this is gonna allow us to write. Excuse my handwriting, but as you can see, it typed it out for you. Let's press record without even touching the screen. Touch this button on the side to press record. Touch it again to stop recording. Because I record my videos on my phone, I will be able to sit down now and be away from the phone and still be able to control it. Instead of touching it with our hand, we're going to snap the picture. If we press it once, it snaps, it takes the picture. So if you press it twice, it'll flip to the front facing camera. Press it twice again, it's gonna flip back to the rear facing camera, right? If you hold this button and then you do that, it's gonna zoom in. If you do it the other way, it's gonna zoom out. It's a game changer. It's a game changer. Instead of pressing the side buttons to screen shoot, you can also swipe and it'll automatically screen shoot just by a swipe. And voila, screenshot. You want to, let's just say, watch YouTube, but at the same time, type something you was thinking about. So what we're gonna do is touch the icon for YouTube. Then we're gonna say open in split screen view. But you click on that, and now you have the top half showing YouTube. Now, let's just say I wanna type in something while I'm watching YouTube. Let's watch a little. I want to listen to this, but at the same time do some work. So type in something on my notes. I click on notes, and now the notes pop up. If you ever misplace your phone, not to worry. Here's how you find your phone if you ever misplace it. Since I already have it downloaded, I'm just gonna open it. All right, so once you get in, you'll be able to see exactly where your phone is. I really feel enlightened right now. So if you got value out this video, show some love and like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification to get the latest HE content. Make sure you check out the links below.
Wow.
Check out my next video, and wow, that's amazing.